And today we're going to look at configuring mandatory profiles using GPO in Windows Server 2008. So firstly, using Active Directory, we're going to create a mandatory profile. Mandatory profile. So administrative tools, Active Directory and users. I'm going to create a new organizational unit. I'm going to name it mandatory users. In this, I'm going to create a new user and I'm going to name it mandatory. I'm going to disable the request to change password at next login. So I'm just going to put in normal password here. And here we can see that the user mandatory was created. So I'm just going to edit some properties here. Okay, I'm going to member of, I'm going to add it, advance, find, and I'm going to give it administrative access so it's a little bit easier. It's part of the domain, it's part of the administrators. Click OK. So now I'm going to log off from my server. I'm going to log in through my mandatory profile. I'm going to search user, other. So now I'm just going to make a change to my desktop here so that I will see if anything was changed. Okay. So my background here now is now pink. I will log off from here. Through my admin profile. So now I'm going to log in through my administrative profile. And I'm just going to check to see whether or not the mandatory file was created. So I'm going into my C drive. I'm going into users, and you can see that the mandatory profile was created here. Back into my C, and I'm going to create a new file or folder, and I'm going to name this profiles, and I'm going to copy the mandatory profile into this file, and I'm just going to share this. So I'm going into profile properties, sharing. I'm going to click on share. Okay, I'm going to share it with everyone and add it. So everyone will have read it, and the administrator will have all access. Click share. now this um, I'm just going to give everyone read only, the administrator all access, and click OK. And I'm going to select this. Files or programs from the share will not be available offline. I'm going to apply, OK, close. So now my file name profiles will be shared onto the network. Okay, so now from this same file, I'm going to name it mandatory dot v2. Okay, so now I'm going to click on my file, organize, folder and search options, and I'm going into view, my view tab, and I'm going to click on show hidden files and folders, apply, I'm going to make sure this is ticked. Sorry, I'm going to make sure this is unticked. File protected operating system files. Apply. So now I'm going into file, going to app data, and I'm going to delete the local folders and select yes. Okay, so now I'm going to just close this off, and I'm going into start, and I'm going into registry editor. So I'm just gonna type in REG. Okay, I'm just going into this. I'm going to local machine. Okay, so I went into local machines, file, load hive, going into my computer, C drive, my profiles that I have, going into mandatory, and going to the end user .dat. I'm going to name this mandatory. Click OK. Go into permissions. I click on mandatory, go into permissions. I'm going to delete all these others. Okay, and now I'm going to add authenticated users. I'm going to click on OK. going to give it full control. Click on apply. Okay. Going on file. Unload the hive. Click on yes. Okay, so now that we have unloaded the hive, going back into my C drive, and I'm going to profiles, mandatory. I'm going to delete these files here. So from here, these 5 files. Okay. Then I'm going to rename this from ntuser.dat to ntuser.man. Okay. Now I'm going into administrative tools. I'm going into group policy manager. Okay, I'm going into the domain, into the server, into I should see my mandatory users here. I'm going to create a GPO in this domain. I'm going to name it mandatory profile. I'm going to leave this as none. Click OK. Going to edit, computer configuration, policies, administrative templates, system, user profile, and we're going to select prevent roaming. Here, we're going to select this prevent roaming profile and enable this. Apply. Okay. Delete cache copy. Which would be this. Enable. Apply. OK. Set roaming profiles. Okay, set roaming profiles. Here we're going to use the profiles path from C. So I'm just going to get that here. Okay. So we're going into the C drive, right click, properties, sharing. I'm gonna copy this. Paste that there. // mandatory. I'm going to click apply. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to close everything here. I'm going into Active Directory. Go into mandatory users. Then we're going to edit this here. Go into Parts Profile. Paste that. / mandatory. Click apply. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to log on Windows 7. And I'm going to just create a new folder here. Test. And I'm going onto my server, onto my C drive, into profiles, and as you can see, nothing was saved. So this is to show that GPO was successful. A GPO link was successfully created, where nothing that is done on a user account will be saved onto the server, and as soon as you log off, everything that you did will everything, once you log off, everything that was done on this user account will not be saved. Okay, so now I'm going to log on to my mandatory profile. Switch user. I'm going to create a new folder in this test. I'm going to refresh. I'm going to refresh. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to refresh the page, and I'm going into the network. sorry, I'm going into my computer, C drive, files. As you can see, file was not saved. Okay, there's nothing here. We're going onto the server now. I'll log this off. I'm going to log on under the server account. I'm going into my computer, going to the C drive, profiles, mandatory, desktop, nothing was saved. So that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching.